Hi everyone, hope all of you are fine and doing well. If not, just keep working hard and I believe that you can achieve what you want. So this is latest update from Wipro. In this update, this update is most important for all those candidates who wants to join Wipro, as this is the second phase hiring. Another chance from Wipro who have missed first phase hiring, and here all three means 2020, 2021 and 2022 candidates are eligible. So it's latest update from Wipro. So let's see what it is all about. So this is the Superset platform page where the details of the second phase hiring has been updated. As you can see, exciting compensation and prospects awaits you. Engineering graduates from 2020, 2021 and 2022 are eligible. Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt, register now. So as you can see, the eligibility criteria are BE Tech, ME Tech. Full-time courses are allowed. 10th and 12th with 10th and 12th. All the branches except fashion technology, textile, engineering, agriculture and food are exempted. Rest of the branches are allowed. Again, you can see year of passing candidate 2020, 2021 and 2022 are eligible. One backlog is allowed till offer stage with 6 CGPA as a passing criteria. In 10th standard 60% and above, and in 12th standard 60% and above. Age limit is 25 and the last date to apply for this drive is 31st January 2022. So this is the last date till which you can apply. Online assessment will be communicated after the application process. Registration evaluation process is very simple. Registration, then after there will be an assessment with aptitude questions, programming and essay writing. Then after followed by business discussion, and then they will provide the offer letter. There will be compensation flow. As you can see, when a person joins a Wipro, after 6 months he will be eligible for INR 50,000 bonus. Then after 18 months there will be some another bonus, and then after 24 months and then 36 months. So the must bonus on 18th, 24th and 36 months from date of joining. These are the must bonus which will be after 18, 24 and 36 months. So, and there will be regular yearly increments. Compensation for this role is INR 3.5 LPA, which means CTC is 3.5, designation is project engineer, and service agreement is 12 months, 75,000 INR on pro rata basis. So this is the update. And how you can apply? You can apply by clicking on here, register now platform, you can see all the details. It is mentioned here, Elite National Talent Hunt FY23, but here don't be get confused with 23. It's a second phase hiring from Wipro, and in which the eligible candidate are 2020, 2021 and 2022, and all the education details you can see. What is the eligibility criteria, qualification, degree, branches, all branches allowed except this I have already told you, designation is project engineer, and 3.5 LPA is the compensation. So this is the selection process. There will be an online assessment of 128 minutes consisting of 3 sections: aptitude, logical, quant, English. Then it's of 48 minutes. Then a written communication test, means essay writing, which I have already told you. Then online programming test, 2 programs for coding, consist of 60 minutes total time to do it. So last date to apply is again 31st January. Please keep in mind, all those who wants to apply, you can apply for it using Superset platform, and the tentative dates for assessment is 12th Jan 2022 and 7th Feb 2020. I think it's instead of 31st January 2021, it should be 31st December 2021. So I think there is a mistake here. So keep that thing in mind, that it's 31st December 2021, because the exam date is 12th January tentative and 7th February. So it can't be 31st January 2021. It must be 31st December 2021. So please correct it. You can apply by clicking on registering on the Superset platform. I will provide link in the description box. You have to, if you're first time applying for the Superset platform, you have to fill the basic details, contact details, education detail, previous education, internship and work experience, photo, and then you have to start enrolling for placement. On the screen you will see job profiles. They will be this Wipro Elite FY 2020 will be showing, and you have to just apply for it. So this is about the latest update, and if you have any queries and doubts, please do let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. Vande Mataram.